big. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Tornado warning for South Central Lake County and East Central Florida. Southwestern Orange County and East Central Florida.
Oh my gosh.
At 8:01 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Lake Louisa, over 8 miles southwest of Winter Garden, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh.
Tornado is located over Lake Louisa, 8 miles southwest of Winter Garden, moving northeast at 40 miles per
Will
hour.
be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Oh.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Caught without shelter.
Tree damage is likely.
Mobile homes will be
This
damaged.
dangerous storm will be near Winter Garden and Windermere around 8:10 a.m.
Vehicles will occur.
Topolka, Oklahoma, and Orleans around 8:20 a.m.
This dangerous storm will
Walker
be
and
near
High Hills
Winter
around
Garden
8:10
and Windermere
a.m.
around 8:10
Other
a.m.
locations infected by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Butler. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh my gosh.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. for the following county: Lake, Florida.
Jeez.
Mobile home or any vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Serving Orlando.
Oh my gosh.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KIH 63, the voice of the National Weather Service. This broadcast comes to you from the National Weather Service office in Melbourne, Florida, on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. A required weekly test.
What's the one? Oh my gosh.
Romeo, keep an eye on that cell. Also, East Melbourne, did you hear the tornado warnings for you?
Yes, I just got that. Lake and Orange. Dude, I predicted that. Holy crap. Holy crap. That was so loud. Oh, my 991 and 382 didn't go off. Oh, wait. AM FM.
Around 8:30 a.m.
Oh.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Butler. What we're asking you to do is to please take cover now. You'll want to move to the interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, avoiding windows. And if you're outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle, look for the closest substantial shelter to protect yourself from flying debris. Once again, the National Weather Service has issued this tornado warning for South Central Lake County and Southwestern Orange County until 8:30 a.m.
I got that. Oh my gosh.
Alright, so
Jeez.
Michelle,